WeChat is a multi-purpose messaging, social media, and mobile payment application developed by Tencent with over 1 billion monthly active users. You may wonder why we are talking about a social media application in the sourcing business. The reason is that WeChat has been a part of our life, and sometimes you may find it difficult to reach to your suppliers in China by WhatsApp and email. And if you have WeChat, it will be so much easier to be in touch with them. And comparing to other messaging apps, WeChat has some great features. So in this video, we will learn how to use WeChat. WeChat can be downloaded and installed on both Android and iOS. You can find a desktop version as well. Just like installing any other apps, search WeChat in the App Store and get it. The next step is to create an account. If you're serious in using WeChat, you can input real information and choose a proper WeChat name or nickname instead of a random one set by the system, because it would be much easier for people to find you by the WeChat name. And it is recommended to add a profile picture. Once you created an account, the first thing is to add some friends. There are a few ways to add a friend. You can search the WeChat name or phone number of your friend's account, or you can scan the WeChat profile QR code offered by your friend. And after you added a friend successfully, go make some remarks. Most WeChat users don't display the real name. It's hard to recognize so many contacts. So you can add a remark of their real information, and you can create tags to classify your contacts, such as tags of family, shipping, factory, and so on. It will be very practical to manage contacts. You have some contacts now in WeChat. Every user can send text, voice, and image, and call by voice or video. It should be no problem to use it. Well, there are some functions worth to mention. Number 1, translation. If you receive messages in Chinese from suppliers, don't worry. Long press the message and click translation. The message will be translated to your system language in WeChat. And the system language can be changed from the settings whenever you want. Number 2, if you're tired of sending text, try voice input. So far, it supports voice input in English, Chinese Mandarin, and Cantonese. It's different than sending a voice message directly, as the voice input will automatically transfer the voice into text message. I like this function a lot personally. Sometimes your friend may not be convenient to check the voice message, or when it is hard for them to understand your language. Voice input makes it so much quicker to send a text. But talk slow and clear, or it cannot identify what you are saying. Once finished the voice input, you can click the text and add it before sending the message. Number 3, when you're taking a picture and sending it, you can make some edits, crop, add text, and so on. Number 4, favorites. If you receive any important pictures, documents, long press it and add it to favorites. It will be stored in one place and you can find it at favorites. Number 5, share. Sometimes you wish to share your conversation to someone else. WeChat allows you to share a message one by one, or you can multiple select the messages and combine it as a conversation and share it to your friend. Number 6, group. Do you ever want to create a group for some contacts working for the same project? It's easy to do that. Click the plus number and start a group chat. The rest is to invite members to join in. Beyond all of that, WeChat also works like Facebook. Users can post their moments there. Nowadays, many users use moments to advertise their business and market their products. Probably your suppliers are very active there. Find out what are their new products and what's going on with their life. And if you're interested in entering into Chinese market, you also need to start using WeChat now. This is how WeChat works. You may already find it convenient to use. Actually, there are more to discover. You have to download it and try it yourself. Let me know if you have any specific questions in using WeChat. I would love to check it and find a solution for you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon.